Welcome back. Here for another magazine, Naughty by Nature. Dope ass front cover, dope ass title. Let's get this thing started. Han Cholo, what does that mean? Like Star Wars, like, you know? And the Lowrider calendar, is that the Lowrider girl? Not sure. J Hustle featuring some dudes. Allison looks like, I don't know, punk rock. Carmen Palumbo. Let's see a little bit more about her. Again, don't know if these women starred in Lowrider magazine because they don't show any pictures of them with their magazines or with the lowriders they posed with, you know. So I have no idea if these chicks even appeared in Lowrider magazine, but they're cool. There we go. Daisy. Dang, who's that? Tequila, just Tequila Girls. Man, this is a dope ass 2-page spread. I just hate it how they kind of put her right here where it splits in the middle, where it folds. This one would have been dope, like poster right here. Ah, man, missed opportunity. But at least we have more pictures right here where, you know, in the middle of the magazine isn't interrupting their actual picture. That's a lot better. Cool. Model search, and I guess there's a section where you just see a bunch of random women. Jenny. Rocio. Elizabeth Gonzalez. And if you've never seen a Lowrider magazine girls edition, well, now you know what it looks like, man, because on eBay these things go for like 20 bucks, or that's the asking price, at least, you know, asking price. Garage Girls. Model search winner. Hell yeah. Now she looks like she appeared in a Lowrider magazine. You can see the car right there. Keen sense of humor. Pero también, what does this have to do with lowriding? Holiday special. Buyer's guide. I guess this is probably we see a bunch of merchandise. Pretty cool. Man, any magazine that doesn't have women in it in bikinis does not sell. This one's a cool shot right here. But that's about it. We got to the end of the magazine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.